Good morning, traders. It's Tuesday, May 13th, 2025. Today, all eyes are on the April Consumer Price Index or CPI report, set to be released right before open. This data could significantly influence market direction, especially in light of recent tariff implementations. Core CPI is expected to rise by 0.3% month over month, holding steady at 2.8% annually. Yesterday we saw ES futures gap up at the open, breaking above the significant 5,773 level highlighted in our weekly outlook. This move effectively ended the 7-day range and surpassed the long-term A to B price range, including the March 25 failed breakout high at 5,836. The RTA presented a tighter range with a retest of the 5,800 level. Fun times? Let's dive in. On the 10-day volume profile, the market continues to exhibit an upward trend with a low volume node at yesterday's gap area. Most trading volume remains significantly lower, and the market is currently attempting to accept the March value area at 5,857.25. So both the weekly and the daily profiles maintain an upward trend, keeping value above the previous value area high at 5,837. Yesterday's session formed a double distribution, which the Globex session is currently filling. Right now, my focus is on whether the market will accept or reject this value area during the CPI release. Yesterday, following the Globex gap up, there was significant buying above the 5,830 level. The weekly VWAP is forming strong support around this area, indicating bullish momentum. A double distribution formed on the New York TPO yesterday. Monitoring this gap closely is crucial. Yesterday's close at the selling tail suggests that buyers may still be active. Yesterday's substantial uptrust broke this 7-day balance, maintaining the uptrend structure. It is essential for us to monitor this low volume node for potential reversals. So let's talk a game plan. My line in the sand today will be 5,865 with bullish targets at 5,896, 5,928 and 5,959. For bearish targets we have 5,833, 5,801 and lastly 5,770. So guys, the April CPI release is a pivotal event today. A higher than expected reading could prompt the Federal Reserve to consider interest rate adjustments, while a lower figure might relieve inflation concerns. As a trader, we should be prepared for increased volatility following the data release. As always, please hit like, subscribe and comment. I love to hear your input, and get the free newsletter or join the Discord to trade with us. All links are in the description. Stay informed and trade wisely. We'll be back tomorrow with another market update.